Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're gonna be going over my trades on the NASDAQ 100. I only traded on one platform today. I keep forgetting to trade on the other platform. I'm gonna actually kind of ramp up trading on that other platform. When we actually go back to it, you'll see that I haven't been placing any trades on that platform. But let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Because every day I document my trades, show my strategy. It's helping for me. And then if you are a follower of mine or a subscriber of mine, or if you're a new trader getting on this journey, it provides you some insight on realistically what it's like trying to build a profitable strategy, trying to work through your mindset, just trying to get it going. You feel me? So let's see how the trades went today. Right, so 5. So how can we do this now? 12:13 p.m. If we minus this was a trade that I did actually last night. So if we minus, what's this? Minus 6, 7. So 7 from 9 puts, okay, this trade was at like 2 a.m. or something. I won't even get into that. I'll probably save that for the end of the video, but let's get into these trades that I can kind of get you onto quicker, right? So this trade was at 9:13. Let me show you. So that's on the 9 o'clock candle. And on the 9 o'clock candle, it was to the buy side actually. So it was looking bullish to me for some reason. But let's see where I entered. So I entered to the buy side at 12,972.9. 12,972.9, right? So I entered to the buy side here on the 9 o'clock candle at 9:13, and then I figure I got stopped out at 12,972 at on the same candle actually. My apologies, I just changed the chart. Should still be there. So I entered at 12,979.2, and then I got stopped out at 12,972 flat. That's where I got stopped out. Hmm, interesting. Oh, that was this loss. So you can see I only lost $1.80. Actually, I lost $1 on the trade. Commissions was that 80 cents, right? So the next trade was at it was on the 9:15 candle. So I entered to the sell side, and what am I looking at here? I'm seeing weakening on the MACD, and this is what I can use as my indicator to go to the downside, right? So you see weakening MACD is kind of telling you there's bearish momentum or there's more of selling momentum in the market, and the market might have a tendency to go that way. So I go that way with my stop loss, typically at a range where I'm willing to incur that amount of loss or risk, right? So this is where I entered to the downside, right? So this was the second trade for the day. I'd say the third, but this trade was around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., right? So I think it was like 2 a.m. because I saw some liquidity coming into the market. I was right, but then it still came out and hit my stop loss. So that's just me not having enough wiggle room in the trade to let it really play out. So on this trade, I entered to the sell side, right? So first trade buy side, I was wrong. So I entered to the sell side here at right here, and then I got stopped out as soon as the 9:30 candle opened within a minute at 12,980.6. So on this candle I got stopped out. You can see the bullish momentum kind of forming, and at this point it kind of formed a bullish engulfing candle. When it formed that bullish engulfing candle, I was like, yeah, I'm getting in, and I'm gonna put my stop loss somewhere down here, and if it works, it works. You feel me? And it turns out that it actually did work. So I entered at, you can see within around 13 seconds after that, I entered to the buy side on this same candle, and that was at 12,980.6. 0.7. And then let me remove these. And I close it like 10:45 or something. Or what's this? No, I close this at actually 10:08. Wow. So on the 10 o'clock candle, so it was pushing to this high side. And I'm like, yep, I'm good at some of these profits. I got a profit of 202. That's me for the day. And I actually did 3 trades and I just stuck to the strategy. Right? So I entered here to the buy side. You have the bullish engulfing, you have the MACD kind of building strength, the MACD curvature as well. So a bullish engulfing, MACD, you have a bottom kind of being formed here. Go for it with your stop loss below this level. So I got this profit of 202. Now let's try to get this trade now. So if this is 12, right? If 9 is 12, right? 11 is 11 a.m. is 8, 10 a.m. is 7, 9 a.m. is 6, okay? 8 a.m. on this is 5, 7 a.m. is 4, 6 a.m. is 3, and okay, perfect. So 5 a.m. would be 2. And let's see where did we get in at 2? This was a nice trade, I'm telling you. So this, I saw this. So you have, you can see kind of bearish movement forming. This is what I thought would have been that bearish movement. And then it kind of reversed me. I mean, sometimes when you're trading in the markets, you feel like the market is watching you because you're like, how did they just see me and come and hit up my stop loss like that? Because I was right. But it's like, this is my belief that they can see when there's like not a lot of volume in the market and they're able to kind of manipulate it, hit out some players, and then take it to the same position you're going. Because I was supposed to wake up and see a profit of like $200 because you got all this bearish movement, right? So I entered to the downside here at 202 and then I got stopped out. Same candle, same candle. So that hurts sometimes when you get stopped out on the same candle for a total loss of 27 at 13035. I mean, it's okay. The reason why it's okay is because I had my calculated risk. So I I mean, I'm not on that level yet, I guess, but to have a trade not set my stop loss and just let it kind of play around with my entire account, I'm not there as yet, or I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading like that. But this could have been a nice trade to the downside. It was at 2 a.m. I saw bearish engulfing actually print here before it kind of reversed. So you can see that wick down, it became a bearish engulfing. So it was telling me bearish movement, but it didn't close bearish. It actually closed bullish. So that was kind of a fake out. Then it kind of pushed up and before coming back down. But you can see all of the trades for, so I had 3 trades essentially, 4 trades essentially for the day. The one took care of all of the losses, cleaned up 202. So we're back in profits easily. So just handling the strategy better will work. I mean, if we got a nice zero point 0.4 on this move, would have been much better. If I actually held the trade longer, it could have been better. Great. I would have made like $400. Great. However, if this move came any earlier, I would have been damaged. So I'm thinking how I'm planning to employ the strategy if I'm going to get the momentum. Big position, get the momentum, exit. Leave with your bag. Leave with the money. You feel me? That's how I'm gonna run the strategy, and let's just run it over and over again. Here, I could have actually seen this because you can see the MACD weakening, and you can see the curvature. I'm sure, like it's starting to kind of top out here. Could have, when you saw this, right? You could have entered to the downside with your stop loss here. This would have been a beautiful trade to the downside. $18 risk. If you have a 0.0, 0.4, that's like 50 or 60 something there. Let's see, $18 times 4. $18 times 4. So your max risk on this trade could have been 72, right? But then you're gonna go from say 13,100 to 12,945, right? Times 4. It could have been a $620 trade for a max risk of 72. And I'm going to start taking more of these trades, but I got to keep to my strategy because I'm actually trading an account and I'm not going to blow the account just to prove that I can trade. I'm going to follow the strategy, keep with it, grow the account systematically, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found some value from it. I will see you in the next one. And what I wanted to show you something, guys. How do you like my girly, man? Joke, man. You look too much, bro. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.